Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, inshallah, we are going to learn how to add a rigging for a 2D character in Adobe Animate. First of all, let me import to stage a character. Of course, I have problem with the arrangement of the layers, but it's okay for now. Before I start on adding rigging or skeleton to my character, first of all, I need to convert all the layers to symbol. F8 to convert to symbol. I'm going to try to use the graphic and then OK. F8, then enter. To the head. Now everything is prepared. Before I go to add pawns, it's important actually to fix the reference point to all layers. So I need to zoom in here by using the free transform. I'm going to adjust the reference point to all layers to specify how the animation will work. Here for the neck, first shoulder, second one. As you see, we specify the knuckles or where we want the rotation to happen. Similar to the human body, we need to specify the torso also. And here for the hips, let us put it here. First leg, second, first knee, and second, and here the foot. Okay, let's check if everything is prepared correctly. Yeah, now we have everything is prepared. Now we can start working on the pawn using the pawn tool to add skeleton. You then find it here, the pawn tool. You can click at these three dots. You will find it here, then drag it from here to the tool box. Here you can find it. You can click and drag it out here. Okay. Let us start. I'm going to click on the pawn tool. Usually we start with the root. So I'm going to start with the hips, with the torso, first shoulder, second shoulder, here from torso. I need to link the neck, not here. Better to link it here, and then let us link the head, and here from the root, we need to link the first leg, second one, and then the me. As I said, the layers arrangement need to be fixed, but not now. In a minute, I'm going to fix them. Now, let me check to see uh, if everything is connected or not. Let me try to move some by using the selection tool. Yeah, it is connected here. It is connected here also. And here also. Now I can arrange the layers here, neck, right click, arrange, send, send backward. Let me send it back here, this hand, right click, arrange, send to back, right click, arrange, send to back, Control Shift with and here Control Shift with the down arrow here. And now everything is prepared. And now we can start working on the animation. And that's what we are going to explain, inshallah, in next tutorial. That's it for today, and thank you.